is probably about 6 a.m. We just got to our spot. I'm using my headlamp for light because the van lights are super bright and we're parked kind of close to where we're gonna be hunting. Got my bow, got my pack with my sticks, my saddle is already on. Nick's getting ready to go.
Smells like a fart in here.
Oh my God. I'm questioning my life decisions. That was a rough climb. I saw 2 deer. One was a small buck. I don't know if he's legal or not, so I didn't even try. And then a second deer came through, it looked like a big doe. And they were headed to where Nick is, well at least the doe was. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Pretty good. That little buck walked through right here. That was cool. He just licked the branch and made a little scrape right there on the ground. He came out of nowhere though. I'm gonna stand up. Like if that would have been a legal deer. I don't know. Well, I saw 2 hawks, but they didn't come this way. I just barely got the tail end of them on camera. I was standing up, spun around, ready to shoot, and they just never got close enough. But damn, a lot of movement this morning. I have to pee so bad. I'm trying to figure out how I can pee from my saddle without climbing down. What do I do? What do I do? Oh my God, they're piglets. Oh, dang. was like bedded with them this whole time. And me climbing down in the daylight spooked her so bad because she was like right here. And now these piglets just appeared like they would have ran after her. Honestly, it's probably good that she didn't step out. Oh. I know hogs are invasive, but it still makes me feel bad that those piglets can't find their mom. I don't know if the piglets have been reunited yet. Nick and I have been reunited. This is where he made that scrape. It's cool. We're trying to pick out a tree for Nick to sit in tomorrow. He didn't see much this morning, so I think we both want to hunt in this area tomorrow morning. But it's so difficult. There are like only 100-year-old oaks or palm trees with poison ivy all over them. It's really hard to find a tree that is huntable. Look at all those acorns. Look at them. Oh my God, they're everywhere. Once that tree drops, it's going to be amazing. So this is the tree that we landed on. All of the oaks are just a little too like twisty and turny. Once he gets up there, he'll have a shot over these branches down into this nice open area, which is where the doe walked through today. The hogs may have like first come through this way before I saw them. And then I think that first little buck, which you guys didn't get a great look at, but I think he came through there too. But just look at how cool it is in here. I think I can hear a hen clucking. Look at that tree bed. Good morning. Good morning. I think we need to do a little dance. Today's the last day of whitetail hunting here in Florida. Girl has assumed her position. Head of security. Here she goes. She takes her job very seriously. Very seriously. Okay, let's get packed up. Abby woke Nick up like 20 minutes before our alarm this morning, and we just got up. So I've got a little extra time this morning. I made myself breakfast last night. I've been obsessed with cottage cheese, not gonna lie. The moon is ripe this morning. Nick's boots, my boots. Okay. Gotta make a swap. Yesterday, as I was setting up, Nick said that he could see my headlamp from like across the way. So I'm switching to a dimmer one. This thing is incredible, but where I'm setting up is pretty close to where the deer are. So I'm switching to a lighter one that also has red and green. But the moon's so bright tonight, I might not even need much in terms of a headlamp. Let's grab Nick's stuff for him. Got Nick's bag and saddle in there too. We're all set. Yeah! We made it. We're getting our stuff on. Trying to keep the lights to a minimum today. So much water. And my cold. Tether. The wind is not as good as it was yesterday.
The water killed it.
Yeah, that might have been the most boring hunt. Oh, you got a mosquito in your eye.
Yeah, I got bit by an ant too.
Oh, he bit and you got low blood. Those little white flies were getting me worse today.
Ant got me right on the wrist strap.
The water completely killed it.
Yeah, that was beat. I thought it was gonna be good. I thought
Same.
maybe it would push him on the dry ground, but
My feet are so soggy. I even dumped them out and they're still so soggy.
it's a wrap for Florida.
That's a wrap for Florida.
Till December.
Yeah, I thought it was going to end on a really high note because yesterday was so good.
These suspenders are actually really nice. I didn't like them at first, but
Yeah.
on the way in and the way out,
Tighten them up
down,
a little
and
bit.
they just hold it.
Mm-hmm.
Hold it up on your waist.
Yeah.
And then with the backpack, it just fits real
I
nice.
really like the backpack.
Yeah, it fits perfectly streamlined.
I've been really liking the backpack.
Yeah, it's
Wow, you only needed 2 sticks and an 8er.
Yeah, it was 2 sticks and an 8er, probably, I don't know, 14, 15 feet.
Yeah,
I was stretching it though.
that's pretty good. I know, I saw you take a big step
Yeah,
yesterday. All right, last stick. Hmm. Oh yeah, we're gonna get water in our boots again. Oh, it went on. Oh. Right. Oh.
It's nice and cold though, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Stinks.
It's crazy if there's just like fish.
I know.
They just appear.
I was literally, wait, that's so funny you said that. I was thinking like what got in my boots while I walked through the water this morning. I was thinking like, are there little fish in my boots?